Right, so the second construction we're going to look at is how you would draw a shape, for example, in this case a hexagon, using a compass. So the first thing, they will usually tell you that they want you to draw it within a circle. But if they didn't, the circle would obviously just form part of your construction lines. So if they want us to draw a hexagon, regular hexagon, with side 3 centimetres, the first thing we do is to put our compass together and we open our compass out to 3 centimetres. And the first thing we do is to draw ourselves a circle that measures 3 centimetres in radius. Now again, don't change your compass, but do take the opportunity to mark on a point on your circle, because this is where we're going to start our construction from. So we haven't changed our compass at all, it's still open to 3 centimetres. Now we put our point on that first line that we drew and swing ourselves just a tiny little arc like that. Now, again, not touching the width of the compass, point on that second line we drew. And again, just a little mark there. And you can see what we're doing. We're just going round bit by bit. And giving ourselves 6 marks. Now each of these marks will be the same distance apart, and we can join them up with our ruler to create our hexagon. So remember, from each part on the circumference to where that line crossed, with a nice straight line, and we can see our hexagon taking shape. So you can see there, we've managed to draw a hexagon using a compass and our ruler.